Gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe with notifications on.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most fascinating cockatiel mutations, the albino cockatiel. Albino cockatiels are truly stunning birds with their pure white feathers and bright red eyes. They are a result of a genetic mutation that causes a lack of melanin, which gives them their unique appearance. Cockatiels come in a variety of mutations, including pied, Albino, and pearl. But the albino mutation is particularly rare and sought after by bird enthusiasts. You may be surprised to know that albino cockatiels are not very popular among pet owners, unlike their rarity and stunning appearance. Actually, albinos and normal greys are more loved among pet owners, but albinos have a very special place among breeders. Albino cockatiels make wonderful pets and are known for their friendly and affectionate nature. They can be great companions for both experienced bird owners and beginners alike. Some breeders believe that albino cockatiels tend to be a bit more stressful. I don't think it is true. If you're considering adding an albino cockatiel to your family, it's important to provide them with proper care and attention. They require a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mental stimulation to thrive. Just like any other cockatiel. Like all cockatiels, albino cockatiels are social birds and enjoy spending time with their human companions. They can be taught tricks and even learn how to mimic sounds and words. Well, that's all for today's episode on the albino cockatiel mutation. We hope you enjoyed learning about these beautiful birds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on bird care and mutations. Thanks for watching.